How to reduce the cost of CNC machining aluminum keycaps for customers. Today we will talk about the DIY aluminum keycaps by forgings and CNC machining. This aluminum keycaps is fully CNC machined. The structure looks simple, but actually the cost of CNC machining is high. However, customers have a high quality requirements and want to reduce the cost. After discuss engineer internally, it is recommended that make it by forging and CNC machining. The finish of these aluminum CNC keycaps with high quality at the best price. Also reduce the cost by 50% for customer. What process will you choose to reduce the cost? That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any question about CNC machining, welcome to leave a message. Nice day.